In last lecture we have discussed Java's feature in detail. Now in this lecture we are going to cover which tools and softwares are used to perform Java code. So start with text editor. So Notepad is a text editor which is used to do Java code. Second thing, JDK, that is Java Development Kit. You can use any version of Java Development Kit. So you can download it from Oracle's website. Third, IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. So we are using NetBeans or Eclipse. Both are preferable. And last but not least, operating system. As we know, Java is a platform independent, so it can run on any type of operating system. So you can use Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Solaris, Unix. Installing and downloading Java Development Kit. Follow the steps. Open Google. So within Google, write download JDK 8. So it will shows more number of websites. Select first one, that is Oracle's website. Click on that. So it will open the versions available on the Oracle site to download. You can select your preferable version. That is, if you are using Windows, so at that time Windows is having x86 and 64-bit architecture. Second, Solaris also having 64-bit architecture. Linux x86 and 64-bit. You can select a preferable version according to your system. If you are using Windows 10 with 32-bit architecture, so at that time you can select Windows x86. Click on that and download it. So it is a exe file. Double click on that file. So it will open a dialog box. Click on read all the instructions. Click next, and then install. So it will install the Java software in your system. So we have a text file, we have a JDK installed, and we can download NetBeans IDE or Eclipse IDE from their sites. Now we have installed JDK in our system. But to use JDK, we have to set a path. So there are multiple ways to setting a path. The first way to set a path is by using command prompt. So for that purpose we need a command prompt. Open CMD, that is command prompt. Write set path in capital letters, space, the path of your bin folder. How to start? C:/program files /java, Java's version /bin. So copy this path from address bar and paste it in front of set path command and click enter. So for a specific session, that path is set. Second way is we can have a batch file. Open a notepad file, write the command set path in capital letters, and in front of that write this whole path and save the file path.extension bat, BAT, small letters, and enter. So it will create a batch file. Whenever you want to run a Java code, so at that time you have to double click that file. For the specific session, it will set the path. Third way of setting path is environment variable. We have to set the path by using environment variable. So where is environment variable? For that purpose, open my computer, right click, properties, advanced, environment variable, new, write the path and actual path and give the semicolon. That's it. So these are the ways how we can set the path. Now we are ready to start the code.